Former CVM TV news reporter Khadijah Thomas laid to rest. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV news report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV news report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Friends and colleagues of former CVM TV reporter Khadijah Thomas gathered in their numbers in order to pay their final respect to the late news reporter. Loved ones and colleagues of the former CVM TV reporter and communication director at the National Parenting Support Commission, Khadijah Thomas, paid their final respect at her homegoing service in Reynolds, St. Catherine.
Hallelujah. I sing glory to the Son of God.
I won't move until you bless me.
The farewell service, which was streamed online, saw many turning up to share gratitude for her short but inspiring life. Khadijah Thomas died last December after a brief battle with lupus. The farewell service, which was streamed online, saw many showing up to express their gratitude for her short but inspiring life. Khadijah passed away last December after a brief battle with lupus. At age 27, Khadijah Tanya Thomas left an indelible mark on those who encountered and sought to help. In her eulogy that was read, she was described as a hard-working, God-fearing professional, and her elder brother notes that she was more than just hard work, and so her story ends. May her impact on this world never fades.
Cut. No one knows just how it will end. We live, we love, we toil. A long life's journey, we meet, some for lessons, some for seasons, some for a lifetime.
Now I know it wasn't a mystery why we met again at the workplace. Having passed course at St. Jago High, you were ahead then and again at 69 Constant Spring Road. But the girl I knew then as a prefect had matured into a powerful Jamaican woman.
I remember them introducing Khadijah as the new rookie on the block at CVM. She quickly stated her claim and made it known that she was a serious journalist.
The NAA Communications and Customer Service Manager notes that although there is an ongoing mitigation program to clean major drains and gullies across the island, citizens must take responsibility for their own health and life.
Khadijah was a force to reckon with in the newsroom. She was hardworking, she was diligent, and she took pride in everything that she did. I just want to say, your presence is truly missed. Khadijah was a force to reckon with in the news.
Khadijah Thomas, a kind, diligent, passionate young lady. I am grateful I had the pleasure of meeting her while working at CVM Television, and I am happy that I was able to tell her how I felt about her and her work while she was here.
I had the privilege of knowing and working with Khadijah Thomas for a little over a year, and during that period of time, I got to meet and know one of the kindest, most hardworking, and brilliant persons that I've ever met. And losing her is such a big blow, it's such a great loss. But I take comfort in knowing that she's no longer in any pain or any suffering.
Sorry we never told you it all, but who would have known so suddenly, so fast? So sorry we never told you all there was to say, to laugh about, to talk about.
You are so young, yet still you impacted so many lives. Katie, just as the friends we have lost along the way, you excelled, you existed, and you became
a gentle soul, loving and caring, humble person. The first time I met Khadijah, I got called to do an assignment. I was told to go on the assignment and a reporter will meet me there. When I reached, I set up for the assignment and was there working. Within about 15 minutes after, this small, little, neat, little young girl walked into a CVM vest at the time. And when I look at her, I said, my God, she looked like she just coming out of school. But no, she wasn't just coming out of school. She was just small in body, but beautiful. And during the assignment, after the assignment finished, I went over and I introduced myself to her. And she said, oh, so you are the Spencer me hear about. She was the type of person who you could instruct, you could talk to and tell her how she must position herself and stuff like that. Yes, we do a couple of mistakes because, sometimes you have to try to get it right and stuff. But from there and then, I realized that this was a beautiful soul. And our relationship kicked off from there. I may not work with her on a regular basis, but time to time I have to encounter with her, even when I come to the station at times. And to tell you the truth, this little girl, well, I always call her Little Miss in my own little time. Sometimes I say Little Miss because she's just little in body. I would say, Little Miss, what you doing, man? And she'd always have a smile. But the thing about it, we may all be mourning her lost, but when someone gave them life to the Lord, it make a whole lot of difference. And she maintained and distribute that part of her life as a Christian. That was a hide. You could know that she was a Christian. Very soft spoken. If you don't engage her, then she won't be at the one to talk. And Khadijah, I've grown to love this little girl. In the prime of her life. Her contribution to CVM while she was there, it meant a lot.
I worked with Khadijah for a relatively short stint during my stay at CVM. She was always pleasant, punctual, professional, quiet, calm person. Could be relied upon to carry out whatever duties she was assigned. Whenever there were any areas that needed some honing, she was always willing and receptive to accept whatever was communicated to her. After leaving, I communicated with her a few times via social media to, in particular, commend her and congratulate her and wish her the best when she was moving on from there to another job. I also came to find out that she shared a birth date with my daughter, so that was a nice little connection. It surprised me greatly and saddened me to hear of her passing. And I can only pray strength and comfort for those she has left behind, and that her memory be a blessed one, and that her soul rest in peace.
Khadijah's love for family was unquestionable, and so we remember and encourage the Thomases.
Mr. and Mrs. Thomas, she appreciated all you ever did for her and her siblings. Khadijah spoke openly about your sacrifices. And so today, we say thanks for lending us your sweet gem, such a pearl. Or, Katie, Your Tanya.
The beauty about it is when you're a child of God, that's what makes a difference. And I know her parents and siblings and loved one may mourn in her loss. Yes, we are mourning her loss, but the bright thing about it is that she'll be writing some beautiful stories in heaven. Oh, glory to God.
And so the only scars in heaven now are the ones of the one holding KT.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the staff and friends of CVM TV and also to her family as well, who I know is mourning the loss of a wonderful young lady. This is where we sign out for now. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.